Guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back on the river this morning. We're gonna try to do a little strap fishing. I don't know how well we'll do with the strap fishing, but we're gonna see if we can catch some pretty good brim, take home, clean up, and eat for supper a couple nights. Guys, if y'all enjoy this video, y'all hit that like and subscribe button. Appreciate y'all guys. Alright guys, Christian hooked up with a good swing it back here. Oh yeah, that's old knothead. Or slab.
What it is?
That's a bluegill. Christian got a good keeper here. I think John's got us one to put in the bucket. Let's go. It's gonna be a good day. Alright guys, Christian's hooked up with something pretty decent. She's got a big catfish right off her rip.
Oh my god, my Bream pilot's gonna break it.
Let's let him go. Alright guys, fish on. Another good one for the bucket. Oh yeah, he's got shoulders. Here to throw in the bucket. It's a pretty good one. Christian got her another good one. Yep. Another good one. Oh yeah, that's a big long-eared sunfish.
Look at this nose,
That's number 4 for the bucket, guys. Christian's hooked up. What she got? Decent little bass. Little bass on the worm. I got him that time. There he is. Couple of small ones though. Not quite gonna make the cut for the bucket. There he is. Christian hooked up again. What you got? That one got shoulders. Yeah, pretty good. Hooked up again. Christian's little bass. Christian, you got him. It's a good one. Yeah. That one's got some shoulders on him. Fish on, guys. Close, but not gonna make the cut. Another pretty good one. Christian hooked up again. Oh yeah, another good one. Yeah, fish on. That's a good one. Good fish. That one's got some shoulders, sure enough. Yeah, that's a real good one. Let's go. Alright guys, another real good one for the bucket. Christian hooked up again with another good one. What you got there, Chris? Another good one. That's not a good shell cracker. Guys, Kristen caught us another pretty good shell cracker. That makes quite a few we got in the bucket on this trip. A pretty good day of brim fishing. Pretty slow for the stripe though. Fish on. Another shell cracker. It's a small one. The shell cracker we're hitting today. Kristen hooked up. Another pretty thick one. Oh yeah, he's got the knot head going on. Yeah, guys, Kristen hooked up with another good one. Oh yeah, another good shell cracker. Usually more bluegill than the sunfish. Pretty good shell cracker, guys. Let's put him in the bucket. Sunfish. Long good sunfish. Another sunfish. That one's going to be a little on the small side though. Alright guys, Kristen hooked up again. There we go.
We are back at the house and we're going to show y'all a little bit of how we clean fish. And we'll show you a little bit later in the video of us cooking and eating. DC is working on scaling them right now.
Get them scaled so we can leave the skin on them when we fillet them.
Oh, this makes it so much better.
Here you go, guys. Got a nice pretty fillet out of that little shell cracker.
Not bad for one little brim. And on to the rest. We'll catch y'all back in a few. Alright everybody, we finally got them scaled and all the brim fillet. We're going to fry up a few of them. We're going to batter them. Put them, I got a little cornmeal, a little flour, salt and pepper. I'm going to fry them up and see what they taste like. Shake them real good. Make sure they're coated. Be nice and crispy. I think that's pretty good. Oh yeah, perfect. Get my grease going first. Alright everybody, it's done. We're going to try it and see how it tastes. The best. If y'all like this video today, please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.